So this is the Advanced Materials and Energy Devices Laboratory. In our group, we look and study the relationship between material structures and their properties to understand their functions. And the intent is to look at materials that can be applied to areas of energy. Now, what makes our work very interesting is that even though our focus is on energy, we have done and developed materials that can be used in other fields like biomedical applications. And so, it's very exciting when you start with the intent to do something and you discover that it's so unique that it can be applied in other areas where you didn't think of at the beginning. So, in this lab, we mostly focus on making the materials. So we say the synthesis of the materials. We use a combination of physical and chemical processes and methods to make those materials. So to some extent, you can think of this lab as a kitchen where we take materials as the ingredients. We develop some specific recipes. We develop some type of protocols, experimental protocols that allow for the control and the study of the processes, their materials, their properties, their functionality. And so we go from materials to applying those materials to actual devices. Those devices are used in very specific applications or fields of study. So we have students from chemical and environmental engineering, material science and engineering, electrical engineering, right? So mechanical engineering, chemistry. And the reason behind that is because in order for us to understand and to advance some specific aspect of knowledge within science, a lot of times requires a lot of interdisciplinary approach.